Today we learn how to place railing in different places. If you have not watched my previous video, please watch before watching this video. Okay, let's start today's topic, railing. If you click here, you will see to given sketch path and place on stair ramp. First we go through stair path. Let's go in first floor. In first floor we create railing. Okay, base level should be first floor, first level. Just you can see here few symbols are given through which you can create railing. Let's see. Click here, click on the last here, again click here, click here in this way. You can place railing. Click OK to finish. Let's go in 3D view. You can see railing has been created. You can change the railing shape as per your requirement. Suppose you don't want this type of railing, so click on railing, go on railing handling. You can select here glass panel also. See, you can choose anything from there and you will see how railing has been placed. In this way you can place railing. Let's see how to place railing on this wall. Now you can place railing on this wall. Select railing, click on the line, okay. Let's go in 3D. Oh, actually our base level is foundation level, that's why not showing the railing. We have to change the base level to first we have to change base level to ground level. Okay, now you can see the railing in adjust position. If you want this railing to be little bit inside the wall, so you can base level change -3 inch. You can see the railing has been inside the wall. If you want to change the railing ladder handrail, you can change the type. See, in this way you can change your railing shape. Okay, let's see how to place railing on the stair. Go in railing, automatically you can place the railing on the stair. Click here, just select the object, you will see the railing has been placed. This is how you can place the railing. If you want to change the railing shape size, you can change it from here. Suppose this one, you want to change this railing to a glass panel, then you can change this to a glass panel also. Okay, in this way you can place your railing Thank you for watching video.